Hi guys, my name is Jaden. I have 7 years old. I'm a student of grade 2B. So today I will teach you how to blow bubble. So, how to blow bubbles. What you need: a bowl, water, liquid soap, and a straw. Here is the steps. Fill a bowl with water. Put a straw into the water and blow. This is the straw. Why? No bubbles. Why? Water on its own cannot stretch to hold the air to make the bubbles. Now we will do the bubbles. Pour a bit of bubble bath into the water. So I will put the liquid soap. Now I will mix with the straw. I already mixed it. Now I will do the bubbles. Has bubbles. I will show you. Look at guys. Has bubbles. I will make it again. A pot of bubble. Look at guys.